What hinders your cooking progress? What affects the cleanliness of the kitchen? It's strange that the light wasn't chosen properly compared to other spaces in the home. The kitchen doesn't need to create atmosphere. Atmosphere means contrast. There is a shadow, and when cutting vegetables, it feels like a 2-meter man is standing behind. Block light. Remove shadows to prevent accidents. A uniform and bright light environment with no shadows and high color rendering is required. So, to sum up, use anti-glare downlights where people are walking. The working surface should have light. The wall cabinet is equipped with line lights, spotlights on the ceiling. This is a bright kitchen. And then color temperature. The color temperature of the kitchen depends on the location of the dining room. The open kitchen should be as consistent as possible with the color temperature of the dining room, or the difference does not exceed. For example, the color temperature of dining table lights is 3000. The kitchen should not exceed 3500. Avoid space color temperature confusion. It is recommended to use a high color temperature for a separate kitchen, no more than 4000 K. Color rendering index greater than 90. It can make the sense of taste sensitive. It can also make the space tidy. There is no need to spend extra money on the color rendering index. Greater than 90 is enough. The premise is that the merchant does not have a false label. The above is the basic lighting of the kitchen. If you have any questions, we will see you in the comment section.